Hello guys, what's up? I'm Surush Designer. Today we want to talk about how we can model this woodworking chair or bench in a SketchUp. So I'm gonna start with changing unit setup in a SketchUp. I come to the window, model info, units, and change my unit from meter to centimeter, like that. Now I'm gonna develop this character. So I'm gonna click on the rectangle box and draw some rectangle with some dimensions about, for example, 44 to 100, or maybe it's a little bit too high, for example maybe 19 to 86, something like that. Alright, now I'm gonna look at the photo. I'm gonna minimize my screen like this. So as you can see, we have some type of outlined inner extrude edges and faces in here. So I'm gonna click on the push or pull option. I press Ctrl on my keyboard. I want to extrude this face about 46 centimeter and extrude it back to the inside about 36, for example, something like that. Now I want to make it a little bit thinner than this type of thing, like this. Maybe 10 is good. Alright, now I'm gonna use offset option in here and change it to the 4, and I'm gonna extrude this back like this. As you can see, in these edges we have some type of fillet or chamfer option, so I'm gonna use tape measure. I want to tape it about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter is good, and 2 centimeter for this place and 2 centimeter for this part. So now I'm going to use 2-point arc in here like this, and another arc in this place like that, and extrude this back, push it back, and delete these tape measure lines. So I'm going to click on it and create some type of group of it. Now I'm gonna make some copy of them, like some distance about 70 centimeter. Alright, now we have some type of cylinders and circles in this place, 1 2 3. So I'm gonna use tape measure option in here and set 4.5 for this number, another about 4.5 like this, another 4.5 like that, and another distance about, I think, 37, and I want to use some number about 18.5 for the middle. So I'm going to use circle option and draw my circles. So for example, these type of circles maybe have some radius with 2. I'm going to select it and create some type of component. Another tape measure for this place like this. Now I'm gonna make some copy of these circles in these dimensional lines. So I'm gonna make some copy of it to the center. I'm gonna select one of them and extrude all of them at the same time. For example, I think something about maybe 2 centimeter is good. I'm gonna type 2 and press OK. So I'm going to delete these tape measures again, and now I'm going to draw some type of rectangle from this place to this place. So I'm going to extrude it a little bit upward about 2 centimeter, select all of them and change it about 2 centimeter again, like this. In these edges actually we have some type of bevel job, so I'm going to use offset option. I want to use offset about maybe 4 centimeter. I'm going to select this face and press Alt on my keyboard and bevel it a little bit on blue axis about 1 centimeter. Now I'm going to select all of them and flip it along blue direction like this. As you can see, actually our bevel may be a little bit too high, but it's not very important. I can fix it with moving this lens a little bit inside about 3 centimeter, like this. Alright, now about material and colorizing. So I'm gonna open paint bucket in here, and I want to choose wood textures. For example, some veneer wood like this. I'm gonna select it, select all of this model, create some type of group from this bench or components. So I'm gonna select all of them, create some type of group. I'm gonna use wood veneer to all of this part. Now I'm gonna come to the edit mode. I want this color exactly, so I'm gonna click on the match color on the screen and click on my favorite color in here. As you can see, now we have some realistic material in here, actually like the picture. And you can change your texture parameters, for example 20 to 20 for better result. And you can change the RGB codes, very simple and easy, in every number you want. And I think 174 is better. And as you can see, this is our model. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna save this file with the name, for example, chair, like this, and over. Like and subscribe, don't forget it, and goodbye.